So I've bought a woodcraft construction kit and I'm going to build a car.
A car. Машина.
Here we have a building instruction or building manual. We have 2 wooden sheets with parts of the car. Well, let's see the manual. First of all, we need to take out the chassis.
Chassis. Chassis. Chassis.
I help myself with a screwdriver. This is exterior or body, outside of the car.
Exterior. Exterior. Body. Body. Зовнішній вигляд автомобілю.
I think it's kind of radiator. To be more precise, it's a radiator grill or the front grill.
Radiator grill. Radiator grill. Радіаторна решітка.
And here we have a hood.
Hood. Hood. Капот.
They must be the headlights.
Headlights. Headlights. Фари. Seats. Seats. Сидіння. Windshield. Windshield. Лобове скло. Tail lights. Tail lights. Задні вогні. Trunk. Trunk. Багажник.
I don't know how to call these side parts. Let's just attach them. Now it's the steering wheel's turn.
Steering wheel. Steering wheel. Кермо.
It seems to me that our car is cabriolet because it has a convertible roof.
Roof. Roof. Дах.
Really? Are you kidding me? I can't attach top piece.
Should I glue it?
I guess it's wheel time. And I'll just take out all other pieces. Let's start with the rims.
Rim. Rim. Обід.
Tires and bumpers. First of all, we attach rims and then tires.
Oh, wait a minute.
Again.
Okay. I guess I have to glue it. Tire. Tire. Шина. Wheel. Wheel. колесо, rear bumper, задній бампер,
What about this? Should I glue it too?
yeah, the constructor of this construction is an idiot.
Front bumper,
Передній бампер.
And now let's glue all the parts that we can't attach.
I need a wet wipe.
It would be better to glue the steering wheel. So now our car is ready. Thanks for watching.